In this video, we will show you how to install an FTTH connection. Optical fiber is laid from the FAT to the required location. First, we splice the fiber with a patch cord using a splicer or splicing machine. Here we go. Be careful when handling the fiber core and use an alcohol swab to keep it clean. Properly cleaned fiber cores are crucial for a reliable optical connection. Ensuring the sleeves are heated correctly is crucial for a secure splice. Properly covered and heated sleeves help maintain the integrity of the splicing joint. The sleeves act as a protective barrier for the splicing joint, preventing damage. Give the sleeves sufficient time to cool down for a reliable connection. Cooling the sleeves properly helps set the splice and ensures its durability. Avoid handling the sleeves until they have cooled to room temperature. Now check the power level using optical power meter of optical fiber. It should not be greater than -28. Now, carefully install the router in the specified location and securely fasten it to ensure stability and reliable performance. Once configured, you'll be able to enjoy the benefits of high-speed fiber internet. Take time to set up your router to make the most of your fiber internet connection. Enjoy seamless online experiences with the power of fiber internet at your fingertips. Make sure to follow the router's setup instructions for a smooth installation process. Don't forget to subscribe. Spantic Engineering Services by Engineer Shoaib Kareem. Please leave a comment below.